Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. It's Sunday evening. I put up a stock lock video this morning, and it's Sunday evening, so we're going to pick a challenge lock now. And this one jumps out at me. This one's from Steel Pinnings. It's Killer Kowalski, I think is what it says on there. It says something on the key here too. All will fail, it says. And Steel Pinnings can make a tough lock, guys. I'm going to try and get you close here. Let's get him in the vise. My favorite keyway there, Yale, 40 thousandths. And my favorite Does Evers pick. Yeah, let's see if we can get in here. And I'm going to give you the what. Let me see if you just square it up there first, guys. Yeah, that's about the best I can do. Weather report. It's freaking hot again. We had the Air and Water Show here this weekend. So there's like 50 million people all over the place. Okay. It's like nothing's talking. Okay, something just gave me a little turn. I believe that was 4. I just slid under. Whatever it was just fell back down. Okay, I got a nice click out of 3 there. Nothing on 2. The click on 3 might have been an overshot. Yeah, because nothing's doing anything here. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go from underneath so I can slide under the pins. Okay, so I think that was 5, and that gave me a little tiny turn on that core. Click on 4. Nice click on 3, and we're open. We'll take that, guys. Okay, you know what? Let's not take that out of frame. I'm going to move these over a little bit. These are all locks that I got from Pickaholic. This was one of them too, though, guys. I'm just going to put these over here so they're out of our way. Yeah, I don't mind anything else on this pinning tray. This is still, you know what? I'll just get a new pinning tray on. It's easier. We're going to need a shim off of that one, though. Here. My buddy Bobby Keys was kind enough to make me a bunch of those with my name on them. Beautiful. That was a fun lock, Steel Pinnings. I like that. Let's see what's holding this on. I do have a key if I lock it up. You see my in frame there? Yes. And then I'll bring it down to the pinning tray as always, guys. Let's see if we can get this thing off here with this. It's one of those little black clips. Ooh, and it's on there good. Holy cow. We got it. And that was good without locking the lock up, guys. Okay, it's off of there. Okay. You know what I might do because this cylinder is so long? No, I'm not going to do that. And I don't have any of those really long shims. I hope there's no T-pins in here. I'm going to turn it like this, guys. I don't even think I'm at the rear pin here. Didn't feel like any T-pins. Let's get a follower. Okay. Hopefully we don't blow this. We don't futz this up. Okay, beautiful. And that shim is inside of there somewhere. Oh, these are really tiny pins. They're really skinny. And there is 6 in that lock. I thought there was only 5 in it. Okay. Uh-oh. That had a wafer in it. It was like this. Standard 2. Standard 3. 4 is a standard. 6. That one had a wafer in it too. Maybe that's why that lock picks so easy. Let's see what's upstairs here. Hopefully I can get that shim back out of here. Tweezers. Okay. I really didn't feel like there was 6 pins in that lock, guys. Should have put the key in it and seen it. Okay, there's a nicely serrated upstairs here. He was in like this. A steel spring. Very long steel spring. Wow. 2 is another serrated, but he was actually in this way. Oh man, he got a wafer in him too, though. I'm sure that's why this lock picked like it did, guys. Okay, that spring does not want to come out of there. It's a copper spring, though, I can see. Okay, there's another wafer. Okay, it's serrated. This wafer is here. Yeah, this whole lock is all master pinned. But a really tiny short spring in that one. I'm gonna have to get that other spring out, guys. Yeah, he just doesn't want to come out of there at all. He wants to stay home. He don't want to come to the party. Loosely wound copper. Okay. This is a serrated spool. You know what? I believe that these are American pins. No wafer in that one. Okay, there's another serrated here. I mean, that would really explain all the crunching we were going on there. Okay, so I think that this was a double spring here, guys. Because I'm not in 6 yet, but this is definitely 5. Give me 1 second. I'm going to put this one here because I know that one came out of that hole. Okay, let's get 6 out. Another serrated spool, serrated with a wafer. Okay, very weird. Copper spring in the back of there. Okay, so nothing done to the upstairs. Nothing done to the core. I truly believe those are American pins, though, guys. I'm going to bring these down here right now. Okay, let me bring this down to the pinning tray here, guys. I'm just going to close this so I can hold these in my hand and show you what steel pinnings put in this lock first. In 1, we had this awesome serrated. I believe that's an American standard serrated pin. Standard with a wafer down here. Standard with a wafer in 2. Another serrated. In 3, we had this serrated with a wafer. Another standard. 4, a serrated spool. And that's the exact way it was in there, the way that it's sitting right now. 5 had a serrated with a wafer. In 4 we didn't have no wafer. In 5 we had a wafer with another serrated, and then in 6 we had another serrated with a wafer and another standard pin. So I just want to see something real fast, guys. I'm going to put this right here. And what did I do with that plug? Here's the Bible. Here's the plug right here. I want to check something real quick with this. We got a little time left. We're only at 9 minutes. So I really stink with tweezers, guys. I'm much better off with my fingers. Okay, so here. That's 3, right? Okay. 4. 5 and 6. So 5 of these chambers had wafers in them, and number 4 was the only one that didn't have a wafer in it. Okay. So you definitely need those wafers to get the shear on this. Only one pin goes ashore, and that's N4. Okay. Did I put this one in upside down? I might have. I think I did. It goes this way. Sorry, I'm out of frame, guys. Yeah. Definitely needs these wafers for that key to work. God, these are some skinny pins, man. I'm definitely gonna need a tweezer for that one, guys. God, look at how bad I'm shaking. Okay. See there, everything's at shear now. Okay. So now I see where the wafers were in there, guys. Let me see something here, because that looks a little high here. Yeah, those are really high. Those barely needed any picking at all, guys. And it's flying around in here, making me crazy. Okay, guys. And I believe this other spring was in number 3 here, like this. That's how that was. So, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great evening. And good night, everyone.